bad, alright? But before we get into it, guys, make sure you guys are subscribed. Once you did both those things, subscribe. Once you did both those things, hit that. Once you did both those, shouting out below, saying that shouting out people. And I will.
It's a brand new feature on YouTube where it changes the blue thumbs up button into a freaking diamond. Like, you'll unlock a diamond like button, and it applies towards any other video that you leave a like on. So in order to unlock it, you gotta go ahead and hit that like button 3 times in this video, very fast. And there's a small chance that you probably won't get it because of course it is really rare. So make sure that you guys go ahead and test it.